Let's talk about something that everyone is wanting to get into these days. We're talking about the easiest ways to make money online. Whether you're trying to make a little extra on the side or plotting your escape from the 9-to-5 grind, we've got options for everyone. From selling stuff without leaving your couch to making money just by giving your opinion, we're going to explore online money-making hacks that require little to no investment and can get you earning today. So grab your snacks, get comfy, and let's turn that Wi-Fi connection into a cash machine. Freelancing. Get paid for what you're already good at. Think of freelancing like being your own boss, minus the suit and boring meetings. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are basically digital marketplaces where people pay you for your talents. Can you write, design logos, do voiceovers that sound like Morgan Freeman? There's definitely a gig for that. Create a killer profile, show off your skills and brag a little. Stack up a few 5-star reviews and watch as the job offers start rolling in. You get to work in your pajamas and decide who you work with. Total win. Online surveys. Okay, this one's kind of like getting paid to rant, but politely. Sites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks will pay you to tell companies what you think about their products, services, or whether pineapple belongs on pizza. It does. Fight me. Now, you won't get rich off surveys, but if you're binge watching Netflix anyways, why not make a few bucks during the ad breaks? Pro tip, sign up for a few platforms, fill out your profile completely, and set aside survey time each week for best results. Easy and passive. Affiliate marketing. Welcome to the magic of passive income. Affiliate marketing is like a digital matchmaker. You promote products or services, and when someone buys through your link, boom, you get a commission. Whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or just a super active social media account, affiliate programs like Amazon FBA are gold mines. The key? Only promote stuff you actually like and believe in. Your followers aren't stupid. They'll know if you're faking it. Keep it real, build trust, and watch the commissions roll in. Selling stuff online. Your junk could be someone else's treasure. Ever look around your room and thought, why do I even own this stuff? Good news, that random knickknack might just be worth something online to someone else. Sites like eBay, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace let you turn clutter into cash. Got crafty skills? Sell handmade candles or stickers on Etsy. Have cool vintage finds? eBay loves that. Just make sure your product photos don't look like they were taken with a potato, and write descriptions that actually tell people why your product is awesome. Price it right, ship it fast, and bam, you're an online entrepreneur. Content creation. Now we're talking long-term money moves. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all these platforms give you a stage, and yes, the chance to earn is big. Post consistently, pick a niche you're passionate about, cooking, travel, review weird gadgets, and build an audience. Once you've got some traction, the money starts coming in from ads, sponsorships, merch, and even donations from your fans. It's not always fast, but if you stick to it and stay authentic, this can evolve into a real full-time income that grows while you sleep. So there you have it, 5 of the easiest ways to make money online. Freelance your skills, get paid to share opinions, make passive income with affiliate marketing, sell stuff like a digital garage sale, and create content and build your own mini empire. No matter which path you pick, the keys to success are simple. Be consistent, stay authentic, and don't quit after 2 days. The internet is full of opportunities. You just have to take that first step. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more videos. Got a favorite method? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're making money online.